Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your iPhone model and iOS version so you know which screensaver options are available. Once done, make sure the phone has sufficient charge or is plugged in. That prevents unexpected restarts while configuring. Now open Settings and tap Display and Brightness to access screen behavior controls. You're doing this first because display settings gate the clock screensaver options. Without them, you can't enable or customize the clock face for the locked or idle screen. Next, tap Lock Screen or Always On Display depending on your model. This is where the clock screensaver settings live. You choose a clock style, then pick font, size, and color to match readability and aesthetic needs, because contrast affects legibility at a glance. After that, preview the result and tweak widgets or background blur to avoid obscuring numbers. Make sure to test in both bright and dim conditions so the chosen style works across real-world lighting. Finish by tapping Done to save and set the new clock screensaver as your active lock screen. You can also schedule focus modes or bedtime to auto-enable the screensaver during desired hours, which is useful for nighttime readability. If the clock doesn't display after saving, reboot the phone, check for iOS updates, or reset display settings to defaults. Often a simple restart fixes permission or cache glitches. And if needed, revisit clock contrast and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.